Zimbabwe Parks and Wildlife Management Authority has long been committed to driving progress, fostering innovation, and making a meaningful impact on the communities we serve. This is evidenced by projects that we supported in various parts of the country. Today, as we mark on this new chapter, we are thrilled to join forces with Beitbridge and Chiredzi Road District Councils, two organizations that share our vision, values, and unwavering dedication to excellence in both biodiversity conservation and alleviating poverty in our communities. Through this tripartite memorandum of agreement, we will leverage our combined expertise, resources, and networks to tackle some of the most pressing challenges facing our communities.
This tripartite should bear fruit for our communities in line with the Vision 2030 for an upper middle class society and economy for everyone who lives in this beautiful country of Zimbabwe. To the Zimparks and Wildlife Management Authority, I say keep doing the beautiful work you have been doing of protecting, management, administration of the wildlife of Zimbabwe. When darkness finishes, comes sunshine. This MOA, while I'm chairman of RDC, I'll make sure it brings sunshine to our communities.
As the motto of our country today, we don't leave anyone behind. What we have done today is taking with us Chiredzi, taking with us Beitbridge to realize the prosperous and empowered middle-income society also by 2030.